In the previous class, we have studied about the structure of animal cell. Now today, I myself Yogeshwar present here with the structure of plant cell. As you can see the diagram of a plant cell, it is a diagram of ultrastructure of a typical plant cell. The outermost boundary of the plant cell is cell wall. It is thick and made up of cellulose, a type of polysaccharide, a type of carbohydrate. Just inside the cell wall, there is cell membrane, unit membrane, two-layered membrane of plant cell, you can see here. This cell membrane encloses the cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm, there are some cell organelles and cell inclusions. Here you see there is a large structure, sac-like structure, that is vacuole. In case of animal cell, there are many small vacuoles, but in case of plant cell, the older is the plant cell, the less is the number and larger in size the vacuole. And as there is large size vacuole, the nucleus comes in the side, where in case of animal cell, the nucleus is found in the center, that is central nucleus. In case of plant cell, the nucleus is peripheral. That is found in the site. In plant cell, endoplasmic reticulum is found, but it is not so developed or so large as it is found in case of animal cells. Plant cells also need energy, so mitochondria are also found, but the number and is less and size is smaller. Golgi body, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus is also found. But the unique structure, unit cell organelle, which is found in a plant cell, is plastid. There are three types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. In this way, we can observe the structure, we can get by heart the structure of ultrastructure of plant cell. And when you keep the diagram of animal cell and plant cell side by side, you can observe it carefully and then differentiate between them. In case of animal cell, there is no cell wall, it is found in plant cell. In case of animal cell, centrosome is found, that is not found in plant cell. Plastids are found in plant cell, not in animal cell. Nucleus is central in animal cell, but generally it is peripheral in plant cell. Size of vacuole is smaller in animal cell, it is larger in plant cell. Lysosomes are found in animal cell, not in plant cell. Mitochondria are fewer and smaller in plant cell, but larger in size and number in animal cells. These are differences between plant cell and animal cell. So now you will write down the differences between animal cell and plant cell, and for that you can make a table, that is here animal cell, near plant cell, and you will write such differences. That will be easier to learn by heart. Also, you will draw the diagram again and again to practice, so that you could draw the diagram in very short time with very clarity. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.